The world's population will peak at 10.3 billion in the mid-2080s, up from 8.2 billion in 2024. After peaking, the population will decline to 10.2 billion by the end of the century. Population in 63 countries, like China and Japan, peaked before 2024. India and the US will peak in the second half of the century or beyond 2100. 1 in 4 people live in a country where population has already peaked. Global life expectancy in 2024 is 73.3 years, up from 70.9 during the pandemic. By 2054, global life expectancy is projected to reach 77.4 years. By the late 2050s, over half of global deaths will occur at age 80 or higher. By the late 2070s, 2.2 billion people will be 65 years or older. By the mid-2030s, 265 million people will be 80 years or older. Even youthful countries will see more people aged 65 or older in 30 years. The world population in 2100 is expected to be 6% lower than projected a decade ago. In 63 countries, the population peaked before 2024 and will decline by 14% in 30 years. In 48 countries, population peaks between 2025 and 2054, including Brazil and Iran. India, Nigeria, and the US will see population peaks beyond 2054 or 2100. 9 countries will double their population from 2024 to 2054. Rapid fertility declines are likely causing the global population to peak this century. The demographic landscape has evolved greatly in recent years, says UN. Birth rates are lower than anticipated, leading to an earlier population peak.